At the end of the day, it's necessary to do daily maintenance on the machine. So turn the power off, open the door, remove any contents that are inside, and with a clean cloth and distilled water, wipe the surfaces in front of the door. Same with the door gasket. Wipe off any droplets inside the door. And you're going to drain the used water from the machine. Take a silicone hose, connect it up to the drain port, and either using a bucket or another bottle on the floor, gently pull the port open and drain the water out of the machine. When it's empty, remove the hose, close the port, and you're done for the day. The following morning, you're going to top up the distilled water tank again. At the end of the week, this is the maintenance you will be doing. Turn off the unit, open up the door, remove the rack and trays, clean the inside of the chamber. It may still be hot from its daily use, so be careful. Let it cool off first. Clean the inside with distilled water and or alcohol. Same with the door gasket and the door. Drain the distilled water and the used water so it's completely empty for the weekend. Open up the distilled water tank, clean the inside with cloth, distilled water, maybe alcohol, and let it to dry. For the monthly maintenance, in addition to doing what you normally do for the weekly maintenance, you're going to open the distilled water tank, remove the little filter inside, and rinse it out in a sink. Make sure it's nice and clean, and then reinsert it. Then you're going to open up the door, remove the rack and trays, and at the very far back is another filter that needs cleaning. It's only in finger tight, do not use any tools. And it is a stainless steel mesh filter. Rinse it out under a tap. If there's any debris stuck in there, you can use a toothbrush to loosen it up. Make sure it's nice and clean before reinserting it. Again, it's only finger tight.